mornings are tired.
How every morning is. Really complaining. Look what we're eating. There's a new caramel apple barn. Is that what you would call it? Cottage.
Shack.
In case you got these this morning,
There's
because
a new
they
caramel apple shack.
They went and got the chicken coop. I don't think we've talked about it, but we got chickens. And Gage has been taking care of them in his room because he got them for his birthday.
They smell so bad.
Well, they grew so fast. It's so crazy, I swear. Like, he takes care of them daily, obviously. And I'll go down and check on them, just make sure everything's okay. And every time I go down there, I'm like, what? How are they so big? But they're too big to keep in his room now. And so they got a chicken coop. I mean, they ordered the chicken coop last week and it just got here. So they're putting it together. It's super cute. And then hopefully it's warm enough. That's the other thing we've been worried, because spring here is like unpredictable. It could be freezing cold one day, snowing, and then like hot the next day. So anyways, we got chickens. Go show the chicken coop quick.
Oh my gosh. Hey guys. We're going to the chicken coop outside. Oh well. Just going through the grass to the chicken coop. It's not done yet. There it is. There's the chicken coop. There's no chickens in it yet. There's Case.
What's up?
There's the kids. It's me running inside. Is that what you wanted, Mom? Is that what you wanted me to show them, Mom?
Show it.
I'd be glowing.
You what?
I'd be glowing.
Are you guys ready to see your new home? Look how big they are. That is so crazy.
These ones still have fur on their necks.
Tiny bit of fur.
Yeah.
Little cuties.
That way you go, Mom.
What?
That way you go.
Yeah, they're girls. Lizzie's like, hi friends.
There they are. I think I'll probably put stuff in there. Looks like it.
I am doing this.
What?
It's pokey.
It's pokey.
Look
What is
at
it?
Mom. It's earring.
It's an earring. Layla asked me if I would take it out, and I did, so she could see it, because sometimes thinks she wants earrings, but it will hurt to get it, huh? And now she's trying to put it back in my ear.
I'm gonna do it real quick.
Is it super hard?
Get it.
You did? Oh, good.
Another one. Another one.
Do you think you want earrings?
No.
No? You get stick-on earrings, huh? That one has the back on still. See the back of it? Oh!
Oh. This.
That one doesn't. That one can come off. Oh, that one has the back on. Just a triangle. Doesn't.
You see this? God, look at my red.
It's so pretty. Look at your eyeshadow. Wow.
And my another one just wait.
Your eyeshadow did?
No, my another one.
What other one?
The golden one.
It broke? How did it break?
Forward.
You did?
No, we'll just bite it.
Rosie did not bite it. Lately, Layla's been blaming things on Rosie.
No, it's backwards. You know this? It's backwards.
It was backwards.
It's right. Do you remember this?
Yep.
There was a game called Earring.
We're playing a game called Earrings.
Yeah.
Do you like playing that game?
Yeah.
What were we playing before that? No laughing? We're saying 1, 2, 3, no laughing, huh?
Yeah. Okay. No. 1, 2, 3, no. 1, 2, 3. No, I.
Uh-oh, I did go. You got it?
And when I do it, I do it. Oh, no, no, no.
Look at it. Nice job, sis. That's super good. You did it 2 times.
Why they can't do it?
I'll put the back on and then it will stay in. Good morning, everyone. Do I look like I was just out in a windstorm? Because I kind of was. Super windy. And I decided today was the day to spray off the porch.
And my cast off.
Winston's getting his cast off in 1 hour. Whoop, whoop.
We found a grasshopper.
You found a grasshopper outside? Whoa.
It jumped on my face.
So Winston's getting his cast off in an hour, so we're waiting to do homeschooling so that he can actually write with his right hand. You ready for that?
Mm-hmm.
You know your shirt's on? Backwards. And Layla painted her fingernails by herself and got nail polish on her pants and the rugs. So great. Great. Not great. Boom. Hi, Gage.
Hi.
Is this your last week of school? Do you know?
My math teacher was just watching a bunch of videos.
Legendary. Go!
Is that wild?
Guys,
You're gonna be in 7th grade.
We are doing
dropping out of school.
Wonderland.
Yay! No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Look what Gage just went ahead and did to himself last night. What did you stick to you?
But Layla's arrow, I stuck it to my forehead.
For a little too long.
And then I was flipping them at the ceiling and one stuck to the ceiling.
Oh, that's so funny. All right, Winston, we'll see you when your cast is off. Daddy's taking him.
Yeah.
Yay! What'd you say, Layla? You want to go home fast? We're picking up groceries and we were on our way and Layla said, I have to go potty. It's the worst part of potty training. Forgetting to go potty right before we leave. Are you okay?
No.
You're a big girl. Are you okay?
I am potty trained.
You are potty trained. You're such a big girl. Winston does have a broken.
And
When we see Winston back at home, he'll have his cast off. Casey and Winston are there right now, getting the cast off. How's cheer going? Way different this year. So they've lifted the social distancing to like
20 people.
Is it 20 people for sure?
Yeah.
But they're still just getting together in their stunt group.
Stunting's going good. It's a little stressful just because we don't have like a coach to like tell us what we need to work on.
Guys.
But they've been sending us videos, which is good. It's just like I like having a coach that's like.
Guess what?
What?
I was at the bed.
Yeah. Okay.
And so like I like having a coach there to like tell us what we need to work on to make it better. But we've been figuring it out and we got a heel stretch finally.
Yay!
And we're working on these cool transitions, I guess.
It's a brand new stunt group.
Yeah, it's brand new.
So that's
and then we tried on uniforms today, which was nice to get all of our uniforms. So yeah, I'm excited for this year. The beginning's gonna be stressful because of this whole COVID, but hopefully it's over soon. I mean, I'm thankful I get to cheer still.
Yeah.
But hopefully it goes back to normal.
I was spraying off the back porch. Layla's crying because she wants to go somewhere. She thought we were going somewhere when we were just picking up groceries, so she's very disappointed. Anyways, when I was spraying off the back porch, Rosie loves water, so she was like playing in it and she was sopping wet. And I just got home. Rosie is laying on her bed and I want to show you how her hair dried, but I don't want her to like get up. It's so funny. What happened to your hair? Do you want to take a bath today? She loves playing in the water, so she does all of the time. She's always in the water, and this happens a lot. Like her hair will dry, but she smells bad all the time because she's always like out in the water and then it just dries. But she loves the water, huh? Brock's hated the water. Woo! This is happening today. I can't put it off any longer. It's so messy. I just cleaned out some sweet potatoes that have been there for way too long, which is so gross. So clearly I need to do some organizing. I think like this granola has been in here for a year. So this is the before.
I grew up and I'm bitter. 0 out of 3 now. been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and the worn out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in our tomboy t-shirts. I never said I was ready, but ready for what comes ahead. You said that you were with me.
I haven't been the best at filming this, but we are making some progress. So this is what's happening so far. I still need to label all of these. These are click clack. And I'll try to find a link to leave down below because I have really loved these so much. So much. My kids love them. It's just easy to put snacks in there for them. And it's just less messy. My kids always rip bags. I mean, I still do have some chips in bags. But if I buy bulk, like I always buy these in bulk, it's just so much easier for my kids to get these and we don't make messes. And then I just put things that I use often in the container, or I leave them in a bag like this. I think both is great. Anyways, I have these little print offs though, and I need to add them now to everything. So I need to do that. I kind of rearranged over here. I had like tuna fish we eat all the time and rice we eat all the time, so I just wanted that down lower. And then I wanted to put like all of our spices together and just get things more organized and put together. This is where like our produce will go. This is kind of like all the randomness can just go right in this basket, but I usually leave my bread in there. And then I still need to like obviously do some more work. This is kind of like baking, treats. So we're making progress. I still have a lot to do. It's been nice to like clean everything out. I've gotten rid of a bunch of expired food, like 2018, 2017 even, I tossed. Anyways, that is what is happening. Things are like feeling clean and fresh in here. That's nice. It's been a while. Winston boy, let me see your arm. How does it feel? Good, it's a little dry. He doesn't want to put any lotion on it.
What's this for?
This is what happened when I was cleaning the pantry. Layla found random things and made a cake.
Happy birthday.
Does it hurt at all?
Happy birthday.
No. He can't straighten it yet. So he's gonna do exercises, huh, to straighten it? Just because obviously it was bent for a really long time. Does it feel weird to not be able to straighten it?
Yeah.
Don't hurt it, buddy. Every single day you can do this. What did the doctor say to do? What did the doctor tell you to do? This?
Move it. Move my body.
Move your body. How was writing for the first time?
Good.
I don't know where our bowls go.
What? What bowls are you looking for? It's really unorganized in there. How many bowls do you need?
I don't know, is this big enough for cake mix? Well, you do one for cake mix and one for frosting.
Yeah, right.
This is
Look up there.
Juliana, if you guys haven't met her.
Hi.
You see her on like every video.
Oh, look, there they are.
Oh, can you get me a big one? I can get, I'm tall.
Okay, thanks.
Dirt down for me.
They're making cake pops.
And bring them to Bay.
Bringing them to Bay. I hope I'm Bay.
No, Bay's in our neighborhood. He just moved in.
I did a little more work in here. Not a lot. I can't remember what it looked like the last time we were in here, but I did a little more work. Nice. I'm getting it right. Go. Go. Listen.
Oil. I need vegetable
It's fine.
oil.
It will work. Hey, listen. Clean up after yourself.
I do. Always. Never.
Literally never.
I literally always do.
Literally never. Alright, we're gonna go to bed.
Nuh-uh. We gotta stay up all night.
We're gonna stay up all night. What would we do if we stayed up all night?
Watching a movie.
Watching a movie. Are you so excited to get to sleep without your cast on? That's gonna be the best, huh? Thanks for hanging out with us today. It was a great day. Got a lot done. I feel good. I got the back porch sprayed off and all of the cushions and everything washed and pillows. I got the fridge cleaned out and wiped down and organized and the pantry. So I'm feeling good. Feeling good, and I'm feeling excited for tomorrow to get some more projects done that I've been really wanting to get done and just kept putting off. I don't know what it was about today, but I was just like, I'm not putting it on any longer. So, feels good. I hope you guys all had a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. You guys both getting in the sleeping bag?
Are you guys doing?
Shall we sleeping bag? We need help. Dada.
I'm going to bed. Over here.